So take a journey to start something, a journey, like let's say to go back to school, a journey to, to get vacation, spend it with your loved one or with your friends. So yeah, thinking about taking a journey, go camping or fishing. So we are at the park with the kids on Lake Merritt feeding the ducks. You see the ducks right here, so yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going? Yeah. Hi guys. Hey everybody. Oh, Leanne over here up in the tree. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. So yeah, the bread's supposed to be for the ducks, and Marlena is eating it. I love you so much, you're so cute. Did you guys love her? Oh yeah, I do. Yeah. So just to give a little recap what the channel is about. So this channel is about family, friends, loved ones. I want that bread. And fishing, a little bit of fishing, a little bit of hunting, some vlogs and all of that, and just doing with the kids. So it's a little bit mixture of everything, and funny videos, music. So I like to bring everything on the table is to keep my kids entertainment too. We're out here in the park with the kids. They're having so much fun feeding the ducks, running around, playing around, climbing on trees, on the swings and sliding, whatever, sliders, I guess we call them, yeah. So having a good day, so this is good. So take a little journey, you know what I mean? It's a little journey that you take with your family, your loved ones, and the little journey can be a little mini vacation, a little mini getaway, and also a journey could be to better your future of going back to school, or starting a business, or coming out with something creative, you know what I mean? And whatever your journey might be keep it up, and don't let nobody tell you you can't be anybody or you can never make it, because in the end you're the one who control the journey of yours, of your own journey, and you will make it in the end. So within this, I hope you guys like this video. This is just a mini vlog for the kids, I guess you can say it. So go ahead, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. And let's keep it going, guys. And hopefully we'll make more videos for you guys. Just let me know in the comment below what do you guys like me to do next, And hopefully we'll see you soon in the next episode or next segment or whatever you want to call it. And don't forget the notification bell. So yeah, hit that so you can get all the new videos on a vacation. From me to you and your loved one and your families. So, much love. Peace out.